Hello again. I have some paint drippings left over from my last pour, and I have drizzled some silver into them, and my last pour was blues, and what I had left over in the cups I have put into my 4-compartment kitty cup, and I have layered them in such a way that the ones that will be pouring from the back are higher and the front ones are lower. So in this one is ultramarine blue, in this one is light blue, in this one is South Ocean blue, and in this one is cerulean blue. Now under the 2 back ones there is silver, on top of the 2 front ones is silver. So it is going to be a very interesting pour. I'm going to start by slowly pouring my container here of drippings on into the centre of the canvas until I have poured them, or a good portion of them, onto the canvas. Okay, now I am going to start pouring from this cup, and I'm going to be pouring down in this direction. That's the reason the 2 back ones, the level of the paint is higher, so that they will hopefully pour around the same time. Well, that last piece of the pouring was certainly interesting, with colours blobbing everywhere, but I've pretty much got what I wanted from it. I have got the South Ocean blue showing through, and the silver, the light blue, and the cerulean blue, or aquamarine blue as well, all showing through in bits and pieces. So my next task is to torch it, as there are a lot of little bubbles. I'm going to tip a little more of my drippings around the corners and edges just to help the paint go over. Okay, so now I have prepped the painting for tilting. The last thing I'm going to do is my comb swipe in the shape of a letter T or intersection shape through the middle of where I have poured the colours. Okay, I will give it a quick torch and then I am going to do my tilting. I stepped back from it for a couple of minutes just to decide what I was going to do, and although overall I like it, I want to take off this corner and just bring it down this way slightly more. So there's plenty of paint still on the canvas. I will tilt it again. That is more the effect that I was looking for. Something to the effect of water or wind swirls, particularly with the larger areas of silver. So I am going to leave that as it is now. I'm very pleased with the way that has come out. And I've been able to use those leftover paints. So I am going to bring the camera down for a close-up, and once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.